friends, I'm Abdullah. For me, the most difficult multiplication table after the 9 times table is the 8 times table. So today, in this video, we're going to be learning the tricks to memorize the 8 times table. There are two ways for explaining the trick for remembering the 8 times table. But before looking at the first method, let's recite the 8 times table from the very beginning. 8 times 1 equals 8, 8 times 2 equals 16, 8 times 3 equals 24, 8 times 4 equals 32, 8 times 5 equals 40, and 8 times 6 is 48, and 8 times 7 is 56, 8 times 8 is 64, 8 times 9 is 72, and finally 8 times 10 is 80. Now, here's the first way for explaining the trick. As this is the 8 times table, write down all the numbers from 0 to 8, from top to bottom, as you can see right here. But once you reach 4, include an extra 4 and continue until 8. Now, for the tens digits, let's write down all the numbers from 0 to 4 in the first row, and in the second row write down all the numbers from 4 to 8. And once you're finished, you will have the 8 times table, as you can see right here. Now you've seen two methods for learning the 8 times table. You can choose one of the methods and start memorizing the 8 times table, and that's about it. Thank you so much for watching this video.